Hi guys, welcome to Pravyab Now. I'm Pranav and welcome to my channel, a channel that I created back in 2019 to tell interesting facets from history, mythology, and fiction. And being a storyteller myself and also a history buff, it has been a creative outlet for myself. I've made more than 100 videos on this channel, and based on the feedback which you guys, my audience, gave me through your views, through your comments, through your likes, I now I have some sort of idea of what works for you and what doesn't. My academic background has been in mass media, filmmaking, and history. And history and storytelling are the two important two things that I'm very passionate about. And so for history and mythology, this channel will mostly talk about it and also sometimes fiction. And I have another channel called Pravyab Now Original Stories, where I'll post original fiction, stories from legends and literature, and also some historical stories with creative liberty, of course. Meanwhile, history is a subject that is generally spoken about in close circles of historians, academics, um, and scholars, and most of it are boring data for layperson. And this gap between the audience for history and the people who know history has been filled up by storytellers. And now storytellers, not every story based on history is historic, and it comes with biases, political biases, left leaning, right leaning. And so on my channel there will be an attempt to tell the objective truth that lies somewhere in between. Of course, I can be wrong and we can discuss, debate in the comments. But the whole idea behind this channel is to tell facts that are credible. And then there are some ambiguity which we may consider to be historic, may not consider it as history. But the overall idea behind this channel is to make you think and make you aware of the facts, and then you can have it have your own interpretations. Of course, because it's my channel, it will have my own narrative. And if you like it, you can support my channel. I have always been interested in history and I've always been interested in storytelling, both fiction and non-fiction. And many of my stories based on fiction are inspired by history. And that is how I got into history. And that is how I got into research to tell a fictional story. So far, this channel has been primarily focusing on history and mythology, and it will continue to do it. Meanwhile, I have another channel called Pravyab Now Original Stories, where I'll be posting stories from fiction uh, and also stories from history and literature that has been fictionalized by me, and that will be using either animations or AI generated edits. Meanwhile, this channel will continue to tell you interesting facets from history, and I'll, it will be my attempt to tell unbiased history, which doesn't fit in the left or right narrative, but the objective truth that lies somewhere in between. And that is why I may not get as many views or likes as someone who is appeasing a particular kind of audience will get. But um, that is where I need your support. If you like my content, please support and share it with people. I need to grow this channel in this year. And if it doesn't happen, I may have to stop creating new ones. For this season, I plan to make some interesting videos on various topics, and I hope I get your support, and I hope I monetize this channel because it is the only way to keep this channel going. Because if I'm putting efforts for history, research on history, shooting video, editing videos, posting that, and if I'm not getting anything in return, it will be difficult for me to sustain as a creator. So if you really like my content, please not just subscribe and like and share, but also promote this to more people so that more people watch this channel, more people subscribe, and I at least make it a sustainable project. I also write fiction, and I have published a novel, and which is out there, and I'll be making content related to that novel, which is also in which is also tied to history. And as a creator, I need your support. And stay tuned to Pravya now, because more content is coming on history and mythology on this channel, and fiction on the other channel. And I have my personal channel where I plan to make videos on vlogs and other facets of food and history. Let's see how that works out. And subscribe and stay tuned to Pravya now. Thank you for your support. This is Pranav signing off. Tada.